Hi! Welcome to our Wiggle and Stretch channel. Let's move, play, and learn together. Time for our spelling quest. Can you hold the pose while we spell the word?
Yes, let's go!
Hello, underwater explorers. Welcome to the Yoga Spelling Quest. Today, we are diving deep into the magical Mermaid Grotto to find hidden words. Before we splash in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a quest. Are you ready to dive? Let's go! Sit on the floor with your knees bent and tucked to one side, just like a mermaid tail. Reach one arm high over your head, curving your body like a wave in the ocean. Look at my tail. I have a fin. Can you spell the word fin? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that mermaids and fish use their fins to steer through the water so they don't bump into the coral reefs? Yes, you get it. F-I-N, fin. Again, F-I-N, fin. Come onto your hands and knees. Now reach your right arm forward and your left leg back. Keep your body flat and strong, stretching out wide to catch something. We found an old fishing net. Can you spell the word net? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that sometimes explorers find old nets in the grotto and help clean them up to keep the sea turtles safe? Yes, you get it. N-E-T, net. Again, N-E-T, net. Stand up with your feet wide apart and toes pointing out. Bend your knees deep and bring your arms up like you are holding a giant glowing treasure. Look at that shiny gem glowing in the dark cave. Can you spell the word gem? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that deep-sea gems are often made of sea glass or special crystals that glow when the moonlight hits the water? Yes, you get it. G-E-M, gem. Again, G-E-M, gem. Drop your hips down low into a deep squat, keeping your feet flat. Bring your elbows inside your knees and push your hands together. You are a heavy, sturdy treasure chest. There is a wooden box hidden under the sand. Can you spell the word box? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that mermaids use these boxes to store their favorite collections of colorful pebbles and shiny scales? Yes, you get it. B-O-X, box. Again, B-O-X, box. Stand on one leg and lean your body forward. Reach your arms back behind you like wings and lift your back leg straight. Balance as you zoom through the water. We need to move fast like a water jet. Can you spell the word jet? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that ocean currents can move very quickly, pushing fish along like a jet engine in the sky? Yes, you get it. J-E-T, jet. Again, J-E-T, jet. Sit on the floor and spread your legs out wide like a giant V. Reach your arms out to the sides and gently wave them up and down like a plant swaying in the tide. Look at that beautiful sea fan coral. Can you spell the word fan? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that sea fans are actually living animals that wave their branches to catch tiny pieces of food floating by? Yes, you get it. F-A-N, fan. Again, F-A-N, fan.
Lime! Sublime! You're a spelling deep-sea genius.
Stand up and bend forward at your waist. Let your arms and head hang heavy toward the floor. Shake your head yes and no, and let your hair dangle like seaweed. That mermaid is wearing a green seaweed wig. Can you spell the word wig? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that some sea creatures use seaweed to dress up or hide from bigger fish that might be looking for a snack? Yes, you get it. W-I-G, wig. Again, W-I-G, wig. Place your hands on the floor and step your feet back. Keep your body in a perfectly straight line from your head to your heels. Don't let your middle sink. A piece of sunken driftwood looks just like a log. Can you spell the word log? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that when wood falls into the ocean, it becomes a home for tiny clams and barnacles to live on. Yes, you get it. L-O-G, log. Again, L-O-G, log. Lie on your back and reach your hands and feet up into the air. Wiggle your fingers and toes like a little critter crawling along the ocean floor. I spotted a tiny little sea bug. Can you spell the word bug? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that there are tiny pill bugs in the ocean that are related to the ones you find in your backyard? Yes, you get it. B-U-G, bug. Again, B-U-G, bug. Stand with your feet wide. Point one toe to the side. Reach your hand down to your shin and lift your other hand high, making a tall, pointy triangle shape with your body. A sailor lost his triangle hat in the waves. Can you spell the word hat? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that explorers often find things from the surface world that have floated down into the Mermaid's Grotto? Yes, you get it. H-A-T, hat. Again, H-A-T, hat. Sit on your bottom and lift your feet off the floor. Reach your arms forward and balance on your sit bones, making your body into the shape of a bowl. Let's sip some sea tea from this shell cup. Can you spell the word cup? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that deep-sea hermit crabs sometimes use discarded objects to hold water or protect their soft bodies? Yes, you get it. C-U-P, cup. Again, C-U-P, cup. Stand tall and lift one foot to rest on your ankle. Bring your hands together in front of your chest and reach them straight up to the ceiling, zipping your body into a straight line. It's time to zip back to the surface. Can you spell the word zip? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you get it? Do you know that divers have to zip up their thick wetsuits very tight to stay warm in the cold, deep water? Yes, you get it. Z-I-P, zip. Again, Z-I-P, zip. We made it back to the shore. You did an amazing job finding all 12 words in the Mermaid Grotto. Let's take one big breath together. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Feel how strong and steady your body is. You are grounded, centered, and very smart. Thank you for questing with me. Namaste, and see you next time.
Let's go on a quest today. Time to learn